I'm creating just a little quick video to show you how to screencast using QuickTime Player on your Mac. This requires no additional software, just internet access and a Mac. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Applications. I'm going to actually look for the QuickTime Player, which is right here. You'll notice the icon. I'm going to click on it, and it's going to launch QuickTime Player. So to create a screencast of whatever I want to show, I go up to the File menu, and I do New Screen Recording. I have a few options that this will give me. I'm going to actually click on Record. It's going to say record the full screen, drag to record a part of the screen. So I can record my entire screen or just choose a selection of the screen. So I'm going to actually just click and I'm going to record the full screen. And now I'm recording the full screen. So for a couple of moments I'll just speak and I can show you YouTube. I'm going to move that over to the side, and here's a YouTube page, and if I wanted to show somebody something in Google Maps, I could click on my link to Google Maps, and that would be recorded into my screencast from QuickTime. And I'm going to stop recording now because I think that's enough to see how it works. And click on Stop Record, and there it is. So I can play back my video and see. And now I'm recording the. All right, so you see that that actually works. I'm going to go up here to File menu. I'm going to go hit Export. So I'm going to do Sample Recording, just like that. I'm going to save it as a movie file down here. Notice you have different options. You can save it in 480, 720, 1080, whatever you want to do there as far as resolution. You can save it for a size that's optimized for the iPhone or the iPad. I'm going to just save it with the default movie settings. I'm going to save it in my Movies folder. So it's named Sample Recording. And hit Save, and it'll take it a moment, and now we've got it saved. So that's done. I'm going to actually quit QuickTime Player at this point. And I'm going to go back up here to where we have YouTube, and I'm going to show you how to post it on YouTube. So go to YouTube's website, and if I weren't already logged in, it would actually give me the option to log in up here, but you'll see I'm already logged in. I use my Google Apps username and password because YouTube is a Google property. So your Google Apps username and password will work. Mine has been heard at hurttech.com. I can actually just click on the upload button at this point. And I need to remember where was it that I saved my video. So I'm going to actually go and select files to upload. Remember, I saved it in the Movies folder. The name was Sample Recording, and there it is. I'm going to hit Choose, and then it'll start uploading. At this point, I can choose my privacy settings. I'm going to make it public so anybody can view it. I can share it on Google+. I'm going to say, okay, we'll do that. My category will be education or whatever you need to there. You have to have a description. This is just a sample screencast from QuickTime. Ooh, QuickTime on a Mac. So I got a little description there, and I'm going to say QuickTime, a screencast. And if you were doing a video that was on history or mathematics or whatever you wanted there, you would actually use that. I'm going to actually unclick the Google Plus part, and I'm going to say Save Changes. And there we have it. Now, in a few minutes, my video will be available for posting to social media, or I can post a link to my students through an email, and it'll be ready to go. You'll see it's still uploading. It'll take a little while. It says 7 minutes. We're not going to wait on that. And that's all you've got to do.